Hello, this is shadowing practice. The same English you know is a channel to help you speak clearly and understand English better. Today, we have 30 motivational phrases. They will help you improve your English and give you energy for the whole day. Listen to the phrase. Repeat after me. Feel the power in every word. And for those who finished the lesson, there's a small bonus waiting for you. Let's go! A new day has just begun. A new day has just begun. The sun is shining just for me. The sun is shining just for me. Energy flows through my whole body. Energy flows through my whole body. My goals are becoming more clear. My goals are becoming more clear. I'm growing stronger every single day. I'm growing stronger every single day. My body feels light, calm, and awake. My body feels light, calm, and awake. Small steps lead to big success. Small steps lead to big success. I'm speaking English better than yesterday. I'm speaking English better than yesterday. My voice is clear and full of power. My voice is clear and full of power. Challenges are chances to grow fast. Challenges are chances to grow fast. Each mistake teaches me something new. Each mistake teaches me something new. Learning English is fun and exciting. Learning English is fun and exciting. I'm already doing better than before. I'm already doing better than before. My focus today is strong and sharp. My focus today is strong and sharp. I'm not afraid of new things. I'm not afraid of new things. My habits are changing for the better. My habits are changing for the better. Water, movement, and deep breath heal. Water, movement, and deep breath heal. I am in control of my time. I am in control of my time. Progress comes from daily small actions. Progress comes from daily small actions. My dreams are waiting for action. My dreams are waiting for action. Money flows to me through skills. Money flows to me through skills. I've already done great things today. I've already done great things today. I will read and listen more today. I will read and listen more today. Growth is happening inside and outside. Growth is happening inside and outside. I'm building a better future now. I'm building a better future now. This moment is full of power. This moment is full of power. I see new chances all around. I see new chances all around. The best version of me is rising. The best version of me is rising. Great things are coming my way. Great things are coming my way. Yes, great job! You did very well today. Your English is already better. Keep listening and repeating, and one day you will speak like a native. The most important thing, train your mouth muscles. Write in the comments what you think about this lesson. Do you want other topics for shadowing? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And now, as I promised, a bonus for those who finished today's lesson till the end. Here are 3 useful tongue twisters to help you improve your pronunciation. Take a screenshot and practice when it is convenient for you. Brave brains break big barriers, boldly bringing bright beginnings. Peter's practice powers perfect progress, pushing past possible problems. Steady steps strengthen speaking skills, sparking speed, strength, and success. See you in the next videos.